guys, welcome to Carblessly Delicious. Today we're taking this simple tuna and transforming it into this amazing tuna and shrimp salad, one that you will love and appreciate, loaded with celery, red onions, fresh herbs, and oven roasted shrimp. Absolutely delicious, very quick to make with just a few easy steps. We'll start by preheating the oven to 400 degrees so our shrimp can be roasting while we prep our other ingredients. I have 26 medium-sized shrimp here that we want to spread out on a flat pan, already peeled, cleaned, and deveined. Drizzle a little olive oil to coat the shrimp and use your brush to evenly spread it around like what I'm doing here. I'm going to season the shrimp with a blend of sea salt, black pepper, and Creole seasoning. Guys, as always, the ingredients used in this video you'll be able to find listed in the description below. Go ahead and blend the seasoning well. And we can then put these into the oven for 6 to 8 minutes. Meanwhile, over to the cutting board to prep our other ingredients while the shrimp is cooking. All we need is a half of this beautiful red onion. We want to mince it into very fine pieces. Oh, I love red onions in my salads. By the way, guys, is it me or do your eyes water when you're cutting onions? Oh, never mind. Maybe it's just me getting sentimental over here because I'm spending all this quality time with you guys in the kitchen. Because you know I love you guys and you know I love to cook. Oh yes, we're just bonding here over these onions. That's what it is. Oh well, let's set these onions aside and get started on our celery. We want to slice them into thin strips, then dice these finely as well. This is going to add a nice crunch to the salad, but you don't want the pieces to be too chunky. We'll set these to the side as well. Here we have our fresh chives, which are like small versions of green onions. We'll dice these up and use them to garnish our dish at the very end to give our dish a nice visual appeal. Those of you who have been tuning in with me for a while now, you already know by now that I love my food to look beautiful and pleasant to the eyes. And to the side we go. We'll also be using fresh dill. I love the taste and smell of fresh dill. Oh, it smells so good. We'll snip a little piece off to dice it up along with our other herbs. This, guys, is going to add a nice flavor. It blends so well with lemon. Okay, we'll set that to the side too. That's it, guys, for our prep. Now we can whip up our dressing and assemble our salad. We have our celery, chives, red onions, and dills. Let's go get the shrimp out the oven. Transfer your shrimp from the hot pan onto a plate so they can cool off a bit before we add them into the salad. Okay, guys, this is where our tuna salad all comes together. Once you open the can, save the lid so you can use it to drain the excess water or oil from the can. Get a large bowl so we can assemble our salad with all of our ingredients. In goes 2 cans of tuna. By the way, I have the large cans, guys. And goes our red onions. I usually eye how much I need based on the amount of tuna. Then, if necessary, we can always go back later and add more. Next is our celery. Add in our dill and on to our dressing. In goes our mayonnaise, guys. And if you're looking for a good low-carb mayonnaise, Duke's is the way to go. It has 0 carbs and it's really tasty too. Then we're going to add in our Dejon Mustard. And again, guys, all the exact measurements are listed in the description. A sprinkle of sea salt. And a little dab of pepper. A little lemon zest is going to set this off. And using the same lemon, cut it in half, remove the seeds so you don't get any seeds in the dressing, and squeeze in the fresh lemon juice. Okay, simple. Go ahead and give this a mix. Oh, this smells so good. Now we're going to combine all this delicious flavor from the dressing into our bowl and blend everything together well, infusing all these herbs and allowing the flavor to just penetrate into the tuna. Oh, yes. And here comes the grand entrance of these toasty roasted shrimp. Oh, how tasty. This is it. The highlight of the dish, y'all. Taking simple tuna salad to something so grand and something so awesome. Go ahead and gently fold them into the mixture. Top with more dill. And now you can sprinkle on the chives that we were setting to the side. And this is what it's looking like so far, guys, but we're not quite done yet. Just one more finishing touch. Slice a tomato into bite-sized cubes, and I have 2 hard-boiled eggs over here that I allowed to cool off that I'm gonna also slice. See here, go ahead and top it off with these final touches. Just lay it on top like this here to garnish it and to make it look beautiful for presentation. And remember those shrimps that sat to the side? Go ahead and use them now to dress up the top of your salad. And here you have it, guys. Doesn't that look so delicious? Guys, go in the pantry and pull out that can of tuna that's been sitting on your shelf and put it to use. You can enjoy it as I'm doing by placing it on a bed of lettuce, or you can wrap it in a low-carb tortilla. Either way, you will agree with me that it is absolutely delicious. For our first-time viewers, welcome, welcome. Here is where I upload videos of low-carb and keto-friendly recipes every week to inspire everyone to eat healthy as we journey together and becoming better stewards over these earthly temples. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload videos like this. All my returning carbless queens and kings, I love you so, so much and appreciate you. Peace and blessings. See you on the next video. Bye.